Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, and today we are going to customize the McFarlane Toys Batman The Dark Knight. So first step ay di-disassemble natin yung figure. Actually, pwede natin gamitin tong blower para mainitin yung mga joints, medyo mag-loosen up. Tapos pwede na natin tanggalin yung head. Okay, be very careful kasi medyo matalas yung kanyang ears. Okay, pwede natin. Ingat lang kayo sa peg. Okay, arms. Okay, tatanggal naman shoulder armor, shoulder rings. Okay. Ayan. Or armpit rings or arm rings na lang. Ayan. Tapos tanggalin din natin tong chest na. Okay, na-separate na natin yung mga parts. You have the body and the cape, 2 legs, and then 2 arms. Then we have the belt and the crotch. Then you have the face or the head. Sa head, imamask natin yung kanyang part ng mouth and yung eyes para hindi natin ma-sprayan yung eyeballs tsaka yung mouth niya. Okay, namask na natin yung eyes and mouth. Tapos we are going to use some alligator clips para stable yung pieces natin habang nag-spray tayo ng primer. Yung primer na gagamitin natin ay ito. We are going to use Bosny No. 4 Flat Black for primer. We are going to apply 2 thin coats. Okay? So, yan. Balikan ko kayo kapag natapos na natin yung primer. Yung application ng primer natin. Okay? Bye-bye! Okay, next step. Gamit tayo ng Vallejo Acrylic Metal Color Grease Metalizado 77.720 Gunmetal Gray. Okay, apply lang natin using dry brushing technique dito sa chest. Yan, para lumabas yung details ng armor. Also magkaroon siya ng konting weathering. Okay, next step, mag-add tayo ng gold paint using Vallejo Acrylic Metal Color Gold para dito naman sa belt. Okay. Alright, we are done with the Batman TDK project. And ang gusto ni client dito ay mag-apply lang ng black primer tapos mag-apply ng gunmetal paint using the dry brush method. So, yung armor niya mas nagkaroon ng highlights, may level of weathering din, and also yung belt niya ay gold color using Vallejo Metal Color Gold. And yung kanyang face, ito yung face ni Batbale, nag-apply lang ako ng brown wash para magkaroon ng konting shadows. Tapos yung kanya, naglagay na rin ako ng blood effects sa kanyang right lip. Okay? Tapos dito sa kanyang weapon, gold din yung paint na in-apply natin. Tapos wash ng leather brown. Okay? Para mag-add ng konting weathering effects. So ito lang yung ginawa natin for Batbale. Yan. So ito yung cape niya, ito yung likod. Tapos yan, sa articulation naman wala namang nagbago, ganun pa din. So you can articulate the elbows, the arms, the head. Yan. Ibabalikan natin to sa, actually meron din pala akong custom na packaging for this, gumawa ako. So in-sprayan ko to ng, zoom out natin, in-sprayan ko to ng black na spray paint. Tapos para magkaroon ng porous na surface. Kasi pag plastic yan, hindi kakapit yung paint. So kailangan natin ng area to work on. Yan, para maging suitable siya for painting. Nag-spray ako ng flat black, tapos dry brush ng gray, and then detailing ng logo using white paints from Hero. Tapos meron na ring signature. Okay? So nilalabas ko na rin yung isa. Meron din tayong ginawa for Deathstroke X Punisher. Okay? So yan. So yun lang mga ma'am sir. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye bye.